Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Looking to set up a sleek, organized digital journal in Notion without spending hours designing it from scratch? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to build your own digital journal using a free Notion template. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a professional-looking journal ready to go, but you'll also know how to personalize it so it fits exactly what you need, whether you're tracking daily reflections, creative ideas, or even habit progress. Let's jump right in and speed up the process by leveraging the power of free templates. Starting from a template isn't just about saving time, it gives your journal a polished edge that can be tricky to achieve on your own. Think of it like moving into a furnished apartment rather than an empty one. The structure's already there, and all you need to do is add your personal touches to make it feel like home. First, head over to Notion and look to the top left of your dashboard. You'll notice there's a little drop-down menu. This is your gateway to more options within Notion. Go ahead and click that drop-down. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. This menu is pretty user-friendly and is where you can manage pages, settings, and most important for today, templates. Within that menu, keep an eye out for the Browse Templates option. Give that a click. Now, Notion's template gallery is like a treasure trove. You'll find everything from journals to trackers to planners. Since we're focusing on creating a digital journal, use the search bar at the top and type in Digital Journal. There will be a range of templates popping up, some minimal, some vibrant, and others with more emotional or creative touches. Skim through the options and see which one resonates with your style or intended use. Found a template you like, select it and you'll see an overview or preview. Take a quick glance to make sure it has the structure you want. Then simply hit Add. Don't worry if the template isn't absolutely perfect. The beauty of Notion is that everything can be customized later, so go with your gut and pick one that feels close to what you imagine. At this point, the template will be added right into your workspace. Now comes the fun part. You can start entering your own credentials, notes, creative ideas, or even daily reflections. These templates are designed to be versatile, so whether you're jotting down morning thoughts, sketching out a story, or tracking your moods, you'll find spaces for each. If there's something missing or an area you'd like to tweak, simply click into a section and edit. For example, maybe you want to add a widget for goals or swap the colors around. Feel free to experiment. Notion's customization options are flexible, and you won't break anything by trying. Personalizing your digital journal is where you make it your own. Perhaps you rename a section to My Morning Pages or add a tag system for different moods. Don't rush, play around, and let the process inspire you. And if you're having any trouble, remember, it might take a few moments to get the hang of customizing, but you'll get it, I promise. That's all there is to it. You've now set up a digital journal in Notion faster and with a more professional look thanks to the free template. If you learned something new today, or if you have questions about tweaking your journal, drop them in the comments. I always love to help out. Don't forget to hit like if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy, practical Notion tutorials. Until next time, happy journaling.